Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by signing in with your Apple ID and turning on iCloud so your contacts and files sync. This makes the transition seamless. Once done, update Mac OS to the latest stable release and set your keyboard layout to match Windows keys. Make sure to enable right-click and tap-to-click in trackpad preferences. You should open Finder, pin frequent apps to the dock, and try Spotlight with Command Space so you know how to launch apps fast. Next, install the apps you rely on: Office or Microsoft 365, your preferred browser, and a password manager. Once installed, use Homebrew for developer tools and package installs to save time. Homebrew simplifies future updates. Then set default apps for email and documents in System Preferences, enable file sharing for Windows File Exchange, and configure Time Machine to a backup drive. Make sure finally fine-tune controls. Customize the dock, assign hot corners, and create keyboard shortcuts to speed workflows. Once comfortable, practice app switching with Command-Tab and switch windows within an app using Command while using Mission Control to manage multiple desktops. Make sure Time Machine backups run regularly and test file sharing across your network. If something breaks, restart into safe mode first. If issues persist, reset nvram/smc or reinstall Mac OS. This resolves most persistent hardware or software conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.